My amana washer just keeps beeping and flashing the wash button.
Thanks. Question. What is the complete model off the unit?
It's Amana Tandem 7300. It started beeping and I took the front panel off and cleaned out the drain as was clogged and I put it back together and it still beeps.
Have you tried to unplug it minute and plug it back in?
Yes. When I turn it on, all lights come on normal until I hit the start/pause button, then it just goes to the wash light and beeps. The wash light flashes 3 times and then 2 times and then just beeps and will repeat flashing sequence.
Can you get me the complete model number off the tag on the frame when you open the door?
NFW 7300 WW02. Posted by JustAnswer Customer and number 39. Request. I would like to request the following expert services from you. Live phone call. Let me know if you need more information, or send me the service offers so we can proceed.
Can you remove the top on the unit?
No.
Are you capable of doing any repair or just want to know what the code means? This is not a push-button fix, so I do not want to get a bad rating if you are not technically inclined to do the repair.
Yes, I'm able to remove the top and am able to do the repair. The top is off.
Okay, look down the side walls. You should see a taped sheet to the side panel. Reach down and grab it.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, open it up and read the error codes. That is a 23 or a 32 code. It may be labeled as a F2E3 or F3E2 code. Read in there how to read the error and see what the error is listed as. I think this is a pressure switch error.
It says water temperature sensor error.
Okay, yes, it was one of the two. If that is the code, you need to check the water temp sensor. There is a sensor where the heater plugs into right in almost the center of the heater. Here is a link to it. In the sheet it tells you the resistance it should be using, an ohm meter. They go bad or the plug comes off of it. http://www.repairclinic.com/part detail/b1p11/amana washing machine sensor w104672889/2629420 model number equals NFW 7300 WW02 and SS equals A11B1C61D111987 and Mr. equals 1.
Where is it located? Are you there?
Yes, my computer crashed 1 second. Okay, I looked up your unit and reason it is not showing the heater or sensor on the parts breakdown. It should be on the front bottom part of the outer tub. Some models were in the back bottom outer tub and you are looking exactly. The thermistor plug is the sensor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.